Welcome to ComplySec. Let's get your organization set up for cybersecurity compliance in minutes. To get started, go to www.complysec.ai. Click the Start Now free button on the top right corner of the homepage. To continue, log in to your existing account or click on Create Organization to register. Fill in your organization's details, including the name, industry type, organization location, owner's name, owner's email, and phone number. Then click Create Organization to proceed. Congratulations, your organization has been successfully created. Check your registered email for your login credentials.